Hey everybody, thanks for joining the channel. Please go ahead and subscribe. Just wanted to let you know that this is just the room tour and water pressure review of our stay at the Sapphire Falls over Thanksgiving break of 2023. A full video, actually multiple videos of our entire stay at Sapphire Falls are going to be going up in the coming days. So check back for those. This will probably be incorporated into those as well. But we just wanted to at least show the room review on its own. So enjoy, and we'll see you later on. Hello, YouTube. We are at the Sapphire Falls Resort, a Loews Hotel, in room 2334. Let's go have a look. Here we are. So, if you've ever seen any of my room tours or hotel tours, you know that I don't waste time opening cupboards and looking for blankets. I go straight to the view. And I'll grant you, this isn't, I wouldn't say this is like a view heavy hotel, but we do have a pretty good one here. This is the Lagoon view. The tree's kind of in the way here, but that's the boat dock right there through the foliage. The main lobby is right here. So not a bad view. And then the park's over there. You can see the Royal Pacific Hotel from here. We snagged this view by luck. We do have our dog Molly with us. And normally at a Loews hotel, they make you stay on the first floor, but with some pleading, because we had asked for a higher floor. When we called the reservations line, they said that would be fine. They went ahead and gave us a third floor view. So we'll take it. We'll take that victory. So yeah, the view will work. There's no balconies here at this hotel, so it's hard to enjoy your view even if you have a great one. But like I said, I'll take this. This is fantastic. Now, the room, I'm loving it. It's very beachy, very Caribbean. Obviously, it meets the theme. Nice, comfortable furniture. I'm not seeing a lot of wear and tear here. I love the artwork. Talk about a view. That's a view. Nice working desk. They have in-room dining all day, and it's a thick menu. So that's important to you. Loews hooks you up. I don't believe a king bed was an option. 2 queen beds is all they have. But look, I love the beachy pillows. It's just fun. It's festive. There's USB plugins if that's important to you. It is to us. Plenty of lighting. I think this is a 47-inch TV. The air conditioning is blasting. I've got it set to 65. I like the carpet to tile transition here when you walk in. A nice single vanity. 2 would be great, but again, I'm not going to complain. Then there is a sliding door here for privacy. And I'll say this, I've been watching a lot of reviews, and I know there are rooms here that have a tub for the shower. I'm kind of a shower snob, so I'm thrilled that we got the walk-in shower. No rain head, but good shower head. Have not tested the water pressure yet, obviously, so I'll do that in a little bit. Water pressure is very important to me. I've been known to unscrew the shower head and take off the water governor to get a better water flow. So if you stay in a room behind me, you're welcome. Plenty of closet space. They do everything you need: an iron, a hair dryer, extra pillows and sheets. We've already hung up some of our clothing. There's a safe here, obviously. And then, you know what? A mini fridge. I'm sure there's one, but I haven't identified it yet. Let's see. More drawers underneath here. Let's see. Ding, 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 ding. There is a mini fridge, which is important because we bought a couple of 12 packs, so we'll be filling this bad boy up in just a little bit. So, yeah, I mean, there's not a lot to it. It is a beautiful room. We're thrilled to stay here. We're here for 3 nights. It will not look this good again. That's why we do these room tours basically as soon as we open the door, because this place will be trashed, especially with Molly staying here with us. So, again, I love the artwork. Very beachy, very fun. Thrilled to be calling this place home for the next few days. Let's check out that view one more time. Start and finish. Again, that's the lobby over here, the boat dock, the strong water rum tavern. We'll be going there in a little bit. And there's one of the water taxis coming in. So it'll be fun to watch them come in and out all day. All right, well, that'll do it for the room tour. We'll be doing the rest of the hotel tour somewhere in this video. You may have already seen it or may come after this. I don't know. Molly. Hello, Molly. Molly is very sad. We're checking out. So I said when I did the room tour that we were going to leave the room a disaster. We don't leave anything a disaster. It's just messy, and it certainly doesn't look as good as it did at check-in, but it's our last view of the room. We're going to miss it. We had a great 3 nights here. I'll say this. I mentioned the water pressure in the shower. The water pressure was divine. Very good flow, and it's very comfortable in there. There's a nice seat in there. So, yeah, there's no rain head, but you will be very comfortable, and good products, too. So, just wanted to do that follow-up for the video. If you made it this far, we're going to have a full review up for our entire stay here shortly, and we'll also do a video about staying at a Loews hotel with a dog. But have fun storming the castle, and please subscribe.